Just trying random ideas. Yeah, kind of diminishes the light a bit, but the problem is when it's line sight, it's damn bright. But that's just like having it that position is like having a very low powered one. Yeah, so it's got to experiment with, I guess, light, reflection, mirrors. So that's what's light is about. That way, but it's the direct up there, and it's not how my eye sees it, because the camera can't just. Oh wow, that. Oh yeah, see that effect there? I'm not sure if it'll appear. Yeah, with the blue. Yeah. But if I hold my hand up, I won't see the light direct, because if I still see like the hot spots. I need another extension cable, which I don't have. I need another one, and another, and another. Otherwise, I think I got something maybe going there. I might try with the other LEDs that I got behind the screen. I've got one type behind the screen, but they're not as much on the brightness, on the luminance. So I'll probably try the other ones I got, which I haven't even rigged up. They're still in the packing for years. Wow. 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 Found a solution. Got some cable here. It's a bit long, so I'd have to get another extension one, unless I can find another one, which I don't think I do have. So I'll get another one. Yeah, I could probably put two of those lights probably along the side of the walls. Probably going to need a fifth, maybe just one at the back, or maybe two at the back. Yeah, so I have to undo this and then connect up that cable, which is not a big deal. Okay. Now always tint your mains cable, so you know when you strip it, and then always give it a tint of solder. That end's ready. Good. Alright, solder tint those. Good. That's done. It's all tight and secured, tightened down. All I need to do, connect it up now to the other LED. So, kind of measured the length more or less with a little bit of extra, so that should reach. So simple. You know, if you've got an extension cord, you know, like these things, power switch extension, and it's just too short, just get some power cable and just extend it. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Put the others in. That was quite a bit of a... that was a bit awkward over there. I've got to check everything. Everything's okay. No wires come undone on the surrounds. That was pretty awkward, setting that up. Just barely fitted in there. But that one's a little bit clear because of the height elevation, because it's slightly on the side wall, and I wouldn't, you know, to give it the same distance the surround speakers, because the room is wider, but it's a chimney pressed in a way, so I've got to work around that and sort of like make the dimensions a bit smaller, which is it's a little bit more wider. I think it's about just a fraction over 10 foot. That'll do. That'll work. I could try something, but as long as you don't look at the lights, it's coming in. That's the problem, because I can see. So maybe let's try and work it out. I was going to think in mounting the bracket thing underneath the surround speaker, and then reflecting the light upward. Well, aiming the light upward. I thought, nah, that looked dreadful. I'm not drilling holes in my surround speakers. So yeah, I'm not sure if they're the same sort of lightness, brightness, or whatever, but they're probably the illuminance of maybe what they use on strobe lights on emergency vehicles today, because some of them are, well, they're LED type and they're pretty bright up to so many 100 feet or so. Maybe it's the same technology. Dun 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 dun. We have the world's first bionic LED RGB lighting. Dun 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 dun. Brighter, stronger. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, the colour is mood changing, but realistically, it's not really what I really would want. The room's very awkward to design for this sort of, this lighting's good. If I would use any other lighting that's a bit thinner, the sticky tape type, probably wouldn't put out as much brightness. So these are mains with a transformer inside them, obviously, and a computer rising circuitry for the colour configurations, and I'm not sure if they're synced, because they're all on the same source, so they're all timed on at different times. So yeah, they're not. Yeah, I wonder if I could synchronise them. I wonder if that's doable. Otherwise, don't bother me. I don't think it would anyone else until they notice and say, yeah, if they're not synchronised. Of course, that would have to go on another type of circuitry, I guess, and then where it can be synchronised on a multi-channel output sort of thing.